Let's have a quick look at the AGPtek two-way electric air pump. I use this for all my inflatables for the pool, along with the river, the lake, air mattresses for camping on trips and sleepovers. This helped me that it's compact and it's also fast at blowing up the device and also breaking down the device. It hardly takes up any room in my trunk. What I like about this too is that it has an out where the air comes out. That's whenever you inflate it, comes out this. And then whenever you go to deflate it, you actually brings in the air this way. So it draws the air out of the inflatable into this. So you have the capability of using it for both blowing up your device and also breaking down the device. This beats sucking it out with our mouth for 30 minutes. With the inflatable and deflatable attachment, you can pretty much inflate almost anything. It includes this automotive cigarette lighter adapter and a wall outlet adapter for either the home or office. Here we'll look at the product in closer detail. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.